Good afternoon, everyone. Happy Monday to you all. I hope you guys all had a phenomenal weekend, and it is Monday, the 9th day of February 2015, 12:27 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Just wanted to get a quick video out here to start off the week. This is your daily chart here for gold. So gold really been on an uptrend since November of 2014. So we can see this uptrend. We are creating higher highs. We're creating higher highs, at least so far. And we are also creating higher lows, right? So you have your high here, right? Another high here. So you have higher highs. You have a low, followed by another low, followed by another low. And now what we would look for is, on this weekly chart at least, this would be your buy zone here. Again, really strong buy zone, really nice bullish candles here. And just like I've said here 1,000 times, what you want to do is you want to go above this 20-day moving average, okay? Come up and then come down, retest the 20-day moving average. And again, if this is a beginning of a bull market, then this level here should hold. Currently trading in at 1239 on the weekly chart, right? Let's look at the daily chart. So the daily chart has already done a few things that we've been looking for. Let's clean this up a bit. Right, so here's your daily chart. There's your first trend line here. You have another trend line just here. And you can probably also say that this is a trend line as well, okay? Depending on how the market is taking this. Now, this is what I did notice last night here on an analysis that I was doing. This is a nice trend line here. So usually what you want to do is you want to see which one connects the best, right? And so far, I like this one the best because it fits perfectly with this in this range, right? Now you can find different lines as well, so you can go over here and say that this is also fine. It has a line here, and you can probably also find another one here, right? But this one really looks like this was the one that the market is respecting right here. All right, so you can have, this would be a nice trade here, okay? Buying in this zone here, and again trying to take it up to this level here, at least a 1250 level here, okay? Great 2-to-1 odds here on this level, maybe 1.5, or you can be a little bit more conservative and make this your zone, okay? I would probably like to get in here in the 1227 range here. The low from Friday was 1228, so no entry just yet, okay? We have a very bearish candle here. So this is why you want to take profits on this trade here fairly quick, okay? So this is a little bit of a flag here, a little bit of a pennant. You broke down through this pennant, and it was obvious that the market was going to fall. On the lower term time frames here, you can see this a bit more clearly. This was really your level of support. Again, you break that support, you're going to have a big move to the downside, and that's exactly what you had, okay? Some of us were able to take advantage of this this really nice move here to the downside, okay? But again, that's your gold daily chart. Let's go to silver. Silver's in very much the same place. Okay, silver finally came above this 20-day moving average on the weekly chart, at least, right? Let's take some of this off, right? So this is your weekly chart here for silver. This is your chart. This is your trend line here. Okay, so as of now, currently above this 20-day moving average. Now what are we doing? We're testing this 20-day moving average and seeing if we can create new highs. I think that's where we're going. I think we're going to here to this level here, maybe the $19 range. But at least, again, we are creating higher highs and we are creating higher lows. And again, this has been since early part of December. On the daily chart, again, we're seeing exactly what we want to see. You have this trend line here. Very nice trend. You have your buy zone here. Very, very, very nice buy zone here. I would say between 1670, 1675, all the way down to 1625 if you want to be conservative. You can probably set a stop loss at around 1610, 1605. That's a very conservative stop loss. If you want to be more aggressive, you can probably put a stop loss at around 1630. That should be a great opportunity. Again, this is what we have so far for silver. Go above the 20-day moving average here on the daily chart, come back below the 20-day moving average, go back up, come back down. You're in this buy zone. This buy zone. I like this buy zone because this is the buy zone that took out this level here, that took out some of these levels. This is a level of resistance, right? Taken out, or at least tested, taken out. Another level here taken out. So this level here, let's clean this up a bit. So this level here took out a few levels of resistance. So I really like this level here, okay? Again, you can be a little bit more aggressive less aggressive and put a stop loss at around the $16 range, or you can be more aggressive and put a stop loss at around $16.25. And again, what you're looking for is you're looking for this trend to continue, right? This is a trend that you're looking to see a continuation. And what you're looking for is ultimately a higher high. So this would be a perfect trade, great entry, great risk to reward. Your risk is what? About $1, actually about 75 cents. That's your risk. And your reward is, you know, coming up here all the way to the 61% fib level around 1880, or maybe even higher, $19. So that's your daily chart here for silver. And that's about it. I just wanted to show those quick levels to look out for. Let's look at this broadening information that we've been keeping an eye on here for the Dow Jones. Let's erase some of these lines and make this look a little bit nicer for everyone, right? So this is your level. On my last video, I said that this would probably be a level that you're probably going to find some support. You actually did find a lot of support and actually went back to the top of the range. So as of now, the Dow Jones is really not in a bullish, at least on the daily chart, is really just flat, trading up and down, up and down. This would be a good entry if you like trading sideways action. Again, you can sell at this zone here and you can try to recoup here in this zone. Because this market, you know, again, once it goes up above this level here, chances are it's going to continue to go higher. Once it goes below this level, it's most likely going to continue to go lower, and it's going to continue to follow this broadening formation here. So again, stochastics are getting a bit overextended here on the Dow Jones daily chart, finding some resistance here in this level here between 17.8 all the way up to 18,000. And again, as of right now, the 20-day moving average is really pointing to 3 o'clock, which basically just shows a lot of nothing, right? Neutral market. So I hope this video finds everyone well, and I will be seeing you guys at the end of this week. Thanks for joining me. Bye-bye.